It's hit Lara. Oh, he got into an awkward position and he's in pain. This has hit him, I reckon, on the back of the head or somewhere near the eye as he's pointing. You watch here the way he reacts after being hit. It's an awkward position. He's missed the bat. It's just under his neck. The way he goes down, he knows he's in pain.
It seems that it does hit the neck and possibly just
again, walking up a bit of pace there. That's hit Ganguly. He's in trouble here. He's down on the ground. Did I hit him straight on the stomach? On his hand, one doesn't know. Probably even the hip bone.
Shoaib put in a little bit extra there, bent his back, and it just took off from just short of good length. A real rib roaster that. There's not a lot Ganguly could do. He's looking to play a defensive shot, but it was just a little too quick for the left.
4 spell initially. He's around the wicket now, as he loves doing to left-handers. Oh, goodness me, that is a nasty one. Wow, that is hitting. That is very, very nice indeed. Shoaib Akhtar's down there very quickly. Mohan Khan is there as well. They're asking for the change room, and that is not great. That is horrible for Gary Kirsten.
An okay technique if you're looking to face the fast bowler over the wicket, not around the wicket, and that was nasty. And hopefully, for Gary Kirsten and South Africa's sake, this is not very serious.
Oh, he's got it. That's a nasty one. He's bowled quite briskly tonight and with good intent, Shoaib Akhtar.
Shoaib Akhtar clearly surprising him with his vicious short pitch delivery that got him on the helmet. He was late on the ball and straight away he was very much ready to go for that single. It didn't happen in the end, but what a blow. He survived it.
That's nasty.